Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling something I know is on absolutely everyone's mind, the reality of the job replacement. I mean, if you've scrolled through your feed or just grabbed coffee in the break room lately, you felt it, right? There's this huge, undeniable shift happening in how we work. And honestly, it's leaving a lot of us feeling pretty uncertain about what tomorrow looks like. So let's just cut to the chase and ask the harsh, blunt question right out of the gate. Will AI make humans useless? It sounds extreme, I know, but that is exactly what millions of professionals are secretly, or, not so secretly, worrying about right now. And hey, it is entirely valid to feel that knot in your stomach. When you're constantly bombarded with terrifying predictions of mass unemployment, it's totally natural to wonder if all those years of education and hard-earned skills are about to be wiped out by a machine.
You literally see these headlines every single day. AI is coming for your job. Millions will become unemployed. Look, they are designed to grab your attention, and frankly, they do a stellar job of sparking panic. But for this explainer, we really need to take a step back and look past the hype. We have to look at the actual data to see the much bigger, profoundly structural transformation happening right under our noses. This isn't just a story about destruction, it's about a complete reboot of human labor.
So why the panic? Well, let's take a quick look at the undeniable capabilities of modern AI.
Let's stick to the facts here. People are freaking out for a highly valid evidence-based reason. The AI we are dealing with today, it is not the clunky, frustrating software from 5 years ago. Right now, it can instantly write polished emails, spit out complex code, generate high-def videos, design logos, blast through support tickets, crunch massive data sets, and literally build entire websites in minutes. Think about that. Just a few years ago, you'd need a whole dedicated team to pull that off. Today, one single person with a laptop and the right prompts can do the whole shebang. That is an absolutely staggering amount of power for one person to wield.
And businesses? Oh, they are looking at this power with dollar signs in their eyes. Their logic is super straightforward. Step 1, save money. Step 2, increase speed. Step 3, improve efficiency. They love these tools because they relentlessly optimize workflows. But we've got to be real here. When a business optimizes to this extreme, certain roles absolutely disappear. For basic, repetitive Tier 1 tasks, AI is replacing the job. We're already watching chatbots take over basic support, and automation just steamroll through routine office work. So yeah, that piece of the headline anxiety, that's totally real.
But this leads us to the biggest misunderstanding out there. AI replaces tasks, not entire professions. See, there's this massive confusion clouding the whole debate. We keep equating the automation of a specific task with the total replacement of a human professional. AI replaces tasks. It's wildly fast at analyzing a medical scan, generating a boilerplate legal contract, or writing blocks of code. But humans keep professions. Why? Well, because a patient still fundamentally needs to trust a real human doctor when they're getting a scary diagnosis. The courts still need actual lawyers to argue intent and nuance. And businesses absolutely need human engineers who understand the architecture, the security, and the real-world goals behind the code. The task itself gets automated, but the profession? It evolves.
The boundaries here are actually pretty well defined if you look closely. AI dominates repetition, prediction, and pattern recognition. I mean, it's essentially just a brilliant statistical engine, right? But what do humans dominate? Complex decision-making, leadership, big-picture strategy, and above all else, emotional intelligence and trust. AI doesn't have empathy. It definitely doesn't take accountability when things go completely sideways. We do. Those irreplaceable, deeply human traits are exactly what we bring to the table.
So with those boundaries in mind, let's map out the job market and see what's actually vulnerable. Let's objectively evaluate the job market by the next 5 years. Some jobs are definitely sitting in the danger zone, specifically roles that are highly repetitive and predictable. Think data entry, basic support, simple writing, repetitive accounting. If your job basically follows a strict rule-based pattern, an AI can and will learn to automate it. On the flip side, evolving jobs require high human interaction, critical thinking, and problem solving. Cybersecurity pros, healthcare workers, skilled trades, leaders. These roles aren't going anywhere. Actually, because they deal with messy, complex human elements and carry high stakes, these positions are becoming much safer and vastly more valuable.
Now, if all this still feels kind of unprecedented and scary, let's remember that history is literally just repeating itself here.
We really need to take a collective breath and look back. In the 1800s, the Industrial Revolution brought machines that replaced manual labor, and guess what? People panicked. Fast forward to the 1970s, the computer era rolls in, changing the office landscape forever, and boom, people panicked again. By the 1990s, the internet boom wiped out legacy industries, but practically overnight birthed entirely new digital economies. The pattern is undeniable. Every single massive tech leap removes old roles, but it ultimately creates these huge, sprawling new landscapes of opportunity for anyone willing to adapt. This AI era of the 2020s, it's just the newest chapter in a very old book.
To put this into perspective, just think about job titles like social media manager, cloud engineer, or prompt engineer. I mean, 15 years ago, a career counselor would have laughed you right out of the building if you said you wanted to manage social media for a living. And prompt engineer? That sounded like straight-up sci-fi just 3 years ago. We literally just made that up yesterday. Yet today, companies are aggressively fighting to hire these exact roles and paying them massive salaries. The real danger to your livelihood isn't the technology itself. No, the true danger is stubbornly refusing to evolve right alongside it.
Let's pivot to the real future of work and what companies are actually going to demand over the next 5 years. There is this wild misconception floating around that CEOs are just dreaming of a fully autonomous AI workforce with 0 humans on the payroll. But businesses absolutely do not want that right now. Why? Because AI still confidently makes stuff up. Those hallucinations can instantly turn into massive legal or financial nightmares. That is exactly why human oversight isn't just nice to have, it's mandatory. Companies desperately need humans to verify those outputs, manage risk, and make ethical calls. Plus, humans are crucial for handling those weird, complex edge cases that aren't in the AI's training data. And let's not even get started on securing systems against AI-driven cyber attacks. Sure, AI is a great tool for defenders, but attackers are weaponizing it just as fast, which makes human cybersecurity experts more critical than ever.
So, if AI isn't some autonomous Terminator coming to clear out your office, what exactly is it? We've got to reframe this. AI is a force multiplier. What's a force multiplier? It's a tool or capability that just dramatically skyrockets the effectiveness of an individual or a team. Think about a human running versus a human riding a bicycle. The bike is the force multiplier. It makes you vastly faster and more efficient with way less effort. Professionals who deeply understand their core field and also know how to wield AI to execute their ideas faster, they are going to be practically unstoppable.
And this force multiplier effect brings us to a massive, fundamental shift in expectations, which I like to summarize with the number 5. This is the new productivity baseline that's rapidly coming for us. In the very near future, workflows are going to shift so drastically that one single person, highly skilled in using AI, is going to easily be expected to do the work that used to take 5 people. 5. That means smaller teams, lightning-fast workflows, and crazy high output. Now, I know that sounds super daunting, but if you're a focused learner who adapts, it represents a massive leap in your personal value and your earning power.
Which brings us to the ultimate paradigm shift, moving away from human versus AI and fully embracing human plus AI.
We are literally standing in the middle of a generational shift right now, and we have to completely toss out that human versus AI narrative. It's a total false dichotomy. The real paradigm shift is this. The future is not AI versus humans. The future is humans using AI versus humans not using AI. Continuous learning and adaptability, that's your new job security. AI is just a tool. Sure, it's a highly advanced, sometimes intimidating tool, but a tool nonetheless. Just like the PC revolutionized the 80s and the internet completely flipped the 90s, AI is the foundational tool that everyone, no matter your industry, simply has to learn.
At the end of the day, the future belongs to humans who understand how to use AI to redefine human value. If you ignore it, if you just stick your head in the sand and pray it blows over, you are going to really struggle in the job market over the next 5 years. But if you lean into it, if you master these tools and combine them with your own unique judgment, your creativity, and your leadership, you're going to become more powerful and adaptable than ever. You aren't being replaced, guys. You are being upgraded.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final, provocative thought to chew on. The question is no longer, will AI replace me? The real question you need to ask yourself today is this: are you preparing for the future before it actually arrives? The choice of how you adapt is 100% in your hands. If you want more real, no-nonsense discussions on AI, cybersecurity, and navigating the future of tech, make sure you're subscribed to Dark Shark AI. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.